Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel. This is my 8th video and 4th video for counting number from 31 to 40. In our previous classes, we already got rid from 1 to 30 number and we acquired knowledge how to use these number in Arabic. If you don't see these videos, please go through links mentioned in descriptions and watch them, as they will be very helpful to understand numbers in Arabic. Anyway, today we will gain knowledge about numbers from 31 to 40. So let's start the lesson. 31 number. For 31 number we use in Arabic wahid wa thalathun. Wahid wa thalathun means 31. See the example, 31 pence. For 31 pence we can say in Arabic wahid wa thalathuna qalman. Wahid wa thalathuna qalaman. Now see 32 numbers. For 32 number we use in Arabic ithnani wa thalathun. Ithnani wa thalathun means 32. See the example, 32 pence. For 32 pence we can say in Arabic as ithnani wa thalathuna qalman. Ithnani wa thalathuna qalman. Now see 33 number. For 33 number we use in Arabic thalathata wa thalathun. Thalathata wa thalathun means 33. See the example, 33 pence. For 33 pence we can pronounce in Arabic as thalathata wa thalathuna qalman. Thalathata wa thalathuna qalman. Now see 34 number. For 34 number we use in Arabic arba'ata wa thalathun. Arba'ata wa thalathun means 34. See the example, 34 pence. For 34 pence we can pronounce in Arabic as arba'ata wa thalathuna qalman. Arba'ata wa thalathuna qalaman. Now see 35. For 35 number we use in Arabic khamsata wa thalathun. Khamsata wa thalathuna means 35. Now see the example, 35 pence. For 35 pence we can say in Arabic as khamsata wa thalathuna qalaman. Khamsata wa thalathuna qalaman. Now see 36 number. For 36 number we use in Arabic sittata wa thalathun. Sittata wa thalathun means 36. Looks at the example, 36 pence. For 36 pence we can pronounce in Arabic as sittata wa thalathuna qalaman. Sittata wa thalathuna qalaman. Now see 37 number. For 37 number we use in Arabic sab'ata wa thalathun. Sab'ata wa thalathun means 37. Now looks at the example, 37 pence. For 37 pence we can pronounce in Arabic as sab'ata wa thalathuna qalaman. Sab'ata wa thalathuna qalaman. Now see 38 number. For 38 number we use in Arabic thamaniyata wa thalathun. Thamaniyata wa thalathun means 38. So see the example, 38 pence. For 38 pence we can pronounce in Arabic as ثمانية وثلاثون قلما. ثمانية وثلاثون قلما. Now see 39 number. For 39 number we use in Arabic تسعة وثلاثون. تسعة وثلاثون means 39. So see the example. 39 pens. For 39 pens we can pronounce in Arabic as تسعة وثلاثون قلما. تسعة وثلاثون قلما. Now see 40 number. For 40 number we use in Arabic أربعون. أربعون means 40. So see the example. 40 pens. For 40 pens we can say in Arabic أربعون قلما. أربعون قلما. Now revise the lesson. واحد وثلاثون. واحد وثلاثون means 31. اثنان وثلاثون. اثنان وثلاثون means 32. ثلاثة وثلاثون. ثلاثة وثلاثون means 33. أربعة وثلاثون. أربعة وثلاثون means 34. خمسة وثلاثون. خمسة وثلاثون means 35. ستة وثلاثون. ستة وثلاثون means 36. سبعة وثلاثون. سبعة وثلاثون means 37. ثمانية وثلاثون. ثمانية وثلاثون means 38. تسعة وثلاثون. تسعة وثلاثون means 39. أربعون. أربعون means 40. Now I want to check your knowledge regarding numbers from 31 to 40. So revise the lesson carefully before giving answer. Through descriptions you can check also that is your answer right or not. First question. Which one is number 37? Which one is number 37? Options are A. اثنان وثلاثون. B. سبعة وثلاثون. C. ستة وثلاثون. D. تسعة وثلاثون. Second question. Which one is number 33? Which one is number 33? Options are A. ثلاثة وثلاثون. B. خمسة وثلاثون. C. واحد وثلاثون. D. ثمانية وثلاثون. Third question. Which one is number 36? Which one is number 36? Options are A. اثنان وثلاثون. B. أربعة وثلاثون. C. ثمانية وثلاثون. D. ستة وثلاثون. Fourth question. Which one is number 34? Which one is number 34? Options are A. ثمانية وثلاثون. B. اثنان وثلاثون. C. أربعة وثلاثون. D. اثنان وثلاثون. Fifth question. Which one is number 39? Which one is number 39? Options are A. تسعة وثلاثون. B. ثلاثة وثلاثون. C. سبعة وثلاثون. D. واحد وثلاثون. So this is enough for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, Please click the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. See you again.